After a power outage, my Whirlpool washer model no wtw4955hw1 won't start. The guy who installed it told me the procedure to reset the machine but can't remember it. Any suggestions?
Is your Whirlpool washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading. Bought it this year.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool washer? What have you tried so far?
Came home after a business trip, so this is the first time I've seen it. Tried resetting motor by unplugging it for a minute, then plugged it back at, then opening and closing the lid 6 times. Also tried a reset by turning the selection knob in a certain pattern. Nothing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I had a power outage earlier in the year that caused the same problem, but somehow the next day the machine seemed to reset itself and worked fine till I got home today.
Hello, my name is Would be happy to help you.
Hi. You wouldn't happen to know the reset sequence for a 2019 Whirlpool top load washer?
I will send you a link. It will look different, but it recalibrates the same way. Let me know what happens. https://u2.b/kgfx9hvg3eq. Are you still there?
Tried it. No lights.
Okay, thanks. Have you checked power to the washer?
Outlet works fine.
Okay, thanks. With my experience, if it will not go into diagnostics, the control board is faulty unfortunately and will need to be replaced.
Okay. Thanks for the help.
You are welcome. I will give you the part number. You will need to order and replace this part number W112561005. It is fairly easy to replace. Approximately how old is the unit? Are you still there? I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is You. Have a great evening. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.